Okay.
How you doing?
We are so hungry, so thank you so much. You are so fast, too. What's your name?
Bob.
Bob. Nice to meet you, Bob. Well, Bob, we want to pay you in a fun way. And we also make your day. We just want to make your day.
Yeah.
Okay?
Awesome.
So,
How exciting is
yeah,
that?
so we're going to play a little game. We've got 12 cups here.
Uh-huh.
All right? You get to pick up any six cups.
Six cups.
Six cups.
Six on.
And whatever is underneath the cup is yours.
You get to keep
You
it.
keep it.
Really?
That's yours.
Yes.
Keep it. All right?
All right.
So, yes.
When do we start?
Right now. Right now. Right now.
I like his spirit.
Yeah, I like it. Good. Yep. Now, let's see what it is. You can
I
open it.
open it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I dare open it
Yes.
up?
He's not going to jump at you.
Yo, what you got, man? What you got?
Right.
Is it 20?
That's it. You get to keep that. Now you get 5 more. 5 more.
5 more.
Ooh, choose
Now-
wisely.
Now you positive about that one, man.
Yeah. You feel
You're positive.
good?
You're feeling it.
You feel good?
Maybe.
Oh.
I mean, the 20 was better, but it's okay. It's still a dollar. All right. Do it again.
All right. Yo. Okay.
So far, how are you feeling about this
How many
game?
cups did I do?
3.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I've never done this.
Yeah.
I've done this for 11 years. No one has ever done this.
It makes delivering pizza is pretty fun. All right, you get to pick another one. You get 2 more. So like 3 more. You get 3 more. I can't do math. 3 more.
3 more. All right, so we're going to go for this one here.
That one right there.
Are you sure?
5.
What? Okay. I see you.
How many more do I got?
2 more.
All right, roll the dice.
Now we'll let you know. There's a lot of money underneath 1 cup.
Should we tell them?
No, we don't want to
Oh, you guys are killing me.
Yeah.
So you got.
One of these cups has like a very large, like more than what you have right there.
No.
Where you get it is the question.
So this one here.
Go for it.
Do I
Go for
feel
it.
this?
Oh, dude! Yo! There you go.
For
man.
real, you guys?
Yeah.
You guys are going to like
No, that's
follow
your,
me
like
out
you're
and say,
literally
"Give it back."
here to walk out the door right now with that. That is all yours. We just wanted to make your day. Oh.
Oh man.
We're really grateful. Thank you.
Come on, man. Hug it in, man. Hug it in, bro. Yo.
Thank you, Bob.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you for all your hard work.
Okay, thank
Really
you.
appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Bob.
Spread the love. Thank you, Bob.
Oh, Bob, hang on 1 second. 1 sec. Just 1 sec. Just come here. Hey, Bob, we've got 6 left. We've got 6 cups left.
6 more cups, Bob.
We've got another 1. Got another 20.
Another
Wanna
20.
give you? Got another 1. Another 1. We got a 50. We really want to bless you with that.
Yes.
And a 10. So
Thank you guys so much.
No problem,
Thank you,
man.
Bob.
Showing me crying, guys.
Oh man, you about to make me cry.
oh my gosh, you got all of us emotional. Oh my gosh.
That is so wonderful. You guys did an awesome thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bless you
Have a
guys.
blessed day.
I got me.
Awesome. It's really